What's going on, YouTube? Brad here, and today we're not doing any woodworking. Actually, we're going to do the lower unit on our boat. We're going to put some new lube in it, some gear lube. All you need is this little pump. You get these at Walmart, and obviously you need a quart of oil and a screwdriver. Show you how to get started. All right, first things first, we're going to take out this lower plug. All you need is a flathead. Then we're going to go ahead and crack the vent loose. That way it'll drain. I leave it in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out my oil level. As you can see, now that we open it up, we got a good flow. Just going to let that drain. And then we'll pump her back up. All right, now that all the old fluid's drained out for the most part, we're gonna take our little pump that we got from Walmart, take the plastic piece and thread it into your bottom hole. You'll always feel from the bottom, that way you force out any air bubbles or anything like that. Just go ahead and thread that up in there. All right. Now, we take our fluid and start to pump. As we pump it, you should start to see it come out up top. Boy, is she thirsty. We'll clear that one out. Go ahead and add the next one. All right, you see it up there, starting to run out the top. So at this point, we can go ahead and put our top oil level cap back in, because we know that our oil level has reached the top. It gets snug, not too tight though. You don't want to strip that out. Go ahead and close up your vent. And now that you close it from the top first, when you pull this, it won't go rushing out so fast. So, go ahead and unthread this. Looks like our seal's coming with it. All right. Oops. Make sure we get that seal back on there. Alright, we'll just snug this up. Alright, there you have it. That's how you change your lower gear lube. We'll just clean that off before we put it in the water and it should be ready to rock.